Hello, everyone. Welcome to Educational Hub. Have you ever wished you could turn a pile of research papers into a complete literature review, a professional presentation, or even a polished report within minutes? Well, today I'm going to show you a powerful AI workspace that can help you do exactly that. All right, if you're a researcher, student, educator, or someone who works with large amounts of information every day, this tool can save you hours of manual work while helping you stay organized and productive. In this video, we'll explore how to use Claude for research writing, document creation, presentation design, problem solving, and much more. We'll also look at some impressive integrations that allow Claude to connect with other tools and make your workflow even more efficient. The first thing you'll notice after opening Claude is the ability to customize your communication style. You can choose whether responses should be concise, formal, educational, explanatory, or tailored to your specific preferences. For this demonstration, I'm selecting the explanatory style because it provides detailed and easy-to-understand outputs. Next, let's look at projects. Projects are one of the most useful features inside Claude because they allow you to organize your work in dedicated spaces, rather than managing everything through individual chat conversations. Nice! Creating a project is simple. Just click New Project, give it a name, and start uploading your research materials. For example, I'm creating a project for AI in research and uploading several research papers directly from my computer. Once the files are uploaded, I can add custom instructions. These instructions tell Claude exactly how I want it to process the information. For instance, I can ask it to think step by step, explain complex concepts clearly, provide examples, and organize information logically. Now comes the exciting part. I simply ask Claude to generate a 2,500-word literature review for a master's research proposal using the uploaded papers. Immediately, Claude begins analyzing the documents, extracting key findings, identifying major themes, and organizing everything into a structured academic format. Instead of manually reading hundreds of pages, the AI does the heavy lifting and creates a comprehensive first draft within minutes. What's particularly impressive is that the generated document includes properly structured sections, in-text citations, references, and logical transitions between ideas. And here's something really useful. Once the document is completed, you can export it in different formats, including PDF, Word documents, and presentations. Okay, let's take it a step further. After generating the literature review, I asked Claude to convert the content into a professional PowerPoint presentation. Claude automatically designed a multi-slide presentation with clear layouts, visual hierarchy, organized content sections, and professional styling. Rather than simply copying text onto slides, it restructures the information into presentation-friendly content. If you want to customize the presentation further, you can upload additional images, diagrams, or design references and instruct Claude to incorporate them into the slides. The AI then updates the presentation accordingly. That's incredibly useful for conference presentations, thesis defenses, classroom lectures, and research meetings. Next, suppose you need direct access to the resource sources. No problem. You can ask Claude to provide clickable references, DOI links, or source information from the uploaded papers. Everything remains organized within the project, making it much easier to revisit your work later without searching through dozens of chat conversations. Nice. Let's look at another example. I uploaded a research paper and asked Claude to create a complete presentation based on its content. The result was a highly professional slide deck featuring summarized findings, charts, tables, visuals, and structured explanations. Complex research concepts were transformed into easy-to-understand visual content suitable for academic presentations. Now let's talk about versatility. Claude isn't limited to literature reviews and presentations. You can use it to write reports, summarize documents, generate code, analyze data, brainstorm ideas, draft professional content, and answer complex questions. But what makes Claude even more powerful is its integration ecosystem. All right, let's explore that. In inside the connector section, you'll find a large collection of external tools that can be connected directly to Claude. These integrations allow you to interact with other platforms without leaving the Claude interface. For example, you can connect research tools, productivity software, design platforms, job search services, and many other applications. There are hundreds of available integrations covering a wide range of professional needs. Once connected, Claude can help you interact with those tools using simple natural language commands. Instead of learning multiple interfaces, you can often accomplish tasks directly through a conversation. That's a huge advantage for researchers, students, professionals, and teams looking to streamline their workflows. I recently demonstrated how Claude can be combined with Consensus to create highly structured research documents, complete with citations and evidence-based insights. If you're interested in that workflow, you'll find the link in the description below. And that's it for today's walkthrough. As you can see, Claude is much more. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.